Today is our Construction Career Day event. We've been hosting it for about 17 years now. We invite out high school students from around the region to come out and actually hands-on try out some of the construction careers that are available to them. About 850 students this year from about 30 schools. They get to try out rollers and backhoes and aerial lifts and the drills and all the really fun equipment you get to work on if you're a construction worker. But to give them a real hands-on experience, we're a big believer that you can't be what you can't see, and to actually hands-on and try it is really important for them. Whether it's a high school program, apprenticeship, college, there's many different pathways into the industry, and so we try to have them all represented here so the kids really get a good idea of what those options are for them. I've been doing this a really long time, and the conversation has changed, and you can hear it across the community that people are really starting to understand that the trades are an important career path, and that it is a really good option for students, that not everyone needs to go to college, and that we need these people to build our community. I mean, the growth we've seen in our region, the housing needs, the infrastructure needs, the new schools, all of that has to be built by someone, and I think people are really starting to recognize that that's important. This is something they'll remember. I could go into their classroom and talk to them about construction. I can send in construction workers to talk to them. It's great, but it's not the same as actually being out here and getting to try it and seeing the people who do it every day and being able to ask those questions. But you're right, the hands-on is so critical to get them excited about it and make them realize, hey, this is something I could do every day.